Welcome back to my channel, Way to Merchant Navy guys. Once again, hopefully you are doing well. Before moving to the topic, if you haven't subscribed my channel, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon. Press all to get notification for all my upcoming videos. So another reminder I would like to tell you that the Synergy previous year question paper and study materials are available, as well as the aspiring guy who are going to appear for the IMO CET and any other company sponsorship examination such as Anglo Eastern, Great Eastern and other companies. That previous year sample paper also available, so you can contact me in the details to get that. So today's topic is going to be little different. Today I will discuss about the differences between the Indian Navy and the Merchant Navy. As we are staying in India, so all the aspects I will tell about the Indian Navy, but it is also applicable for the defense navy of each and every country. So there are four aspects what I have found. First aspect is that the basic difference. The basic difference is that the merchant, it is a self-explanatory. Merchant means the guys who are engaged to the business. So in the merchant navy, what we are doing is we are shifting the cargo from one place to another place with several types of ships such as container, bulk carrier, gas carrier, product tankers, like that. But in the Indian Navy, the operation is limited to the 200 miles from the coastline. So they are basically operating in the exclusive economic zone and they are basically working for the war or defense purpose for the country itself. Second difference is the eligibility. So in the merchant navy there are several courses, you guys already know about that, BSc, DNS and everything, but in Indian Navy not like that. But in Indian Navy, if you want to join as officer, you have to clear the NDA exams. Not only NDA, in Indian Navy several jobs are available. Even though after BTech you can join Indian Navy, that depends on the rank of the Navy. But in the Merchant Navy also there are certain set of course. In Indian Navy also certain set of course and competitive examination is available. So that is the second aspect difference between these two highly recommendable profession. Third and the most important is pay scale. See, in a simple word, if you are comparing pay scale between these two type of navies, then merchant navy obviously in the higher side, because a third officer salary around 1,50,000 to 2 lakhs. A highly decorated Indian Navy officer used to get that. In the merchant navy, captain used to get 8 to 10 lakhs, maybe more than that in the gas carriers. So in the pay scale, the merchant navy obviously stayed in the higher, but after retirement there will be no provident fund or maybe the pension. This kind of facility is not there in merchant navy, but in the Indian Navy you will get this kind of government facility. And last but not the least, the ranking structure or hierarchical structure, you can say. So there are several posts, as you know, in the merchant navy: third officer, second officer, chief officer, captain. In the engine side also fourth engineer, third engineer, second engineer, chief engineer, like that. Here also same, lieutenant commander are there, normal sailors are there, several ranks are there, and their salary also depends on the rank. Another difference is that in merchant navy you have to be appear for the examination for the each and every promotion, but in Indian Navy not like that. For each and every promotion you don't need to appear for the examination. By the experience or years of sailing experience, you will get promotion automatically on board. So that is the difference between the promotion and the hierarchical structure. Now discussion regarding which is the best. So I cannot say like that is the best and that is not good. That completely depends up to your choice. If you want to join in merchant navy, then that is your choice. If you want to serve your country, then you can join the Indian Navy, and if you are the passionate about the traveling and earn lot of money, then you can go for the merchant navy. So that is completely up to you. Both professions have their own advantages as well as disadvantages, so it is depend completely on you which will you prefer to join. So I think all the aspects, differences and the preferability I have discussed. So if you have liked the video, please like, share with your friends, subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon, press all to get notification for all my upcoming videos. So signing off for the day, see you in my next video.